What's up guys, in today's video, as you can see from the title, we're going to be going over all the mods that I've done to the truck so far. It's actually, since you guys seen it last when I purchased the truck, I've actually done quite a bit to it. I mean, as you can see, look, there's no camper shell. I mean, a lot of stuff has been done to the truck, so I just want to go over everything with you guys, and then we got about a couple more mods. If I come on over here, you can see, got something right there. Got a box there, as you can see, towing mirrors, and another box here. I'm going to try to get on today. I hope you stick around and see what's coming in the truck, because this truck is going to transform over the next year or so. I mean, there's so much stuff to do to it. It's already changed a lot just in a couple days, so let's get right into the mods that I've done so far. Starting up front, not too much to see here, but I don't know if you can look in there. You might be able to see there's a little bit of blue back there. I actually put LED headlights in up front, so really nice, really big improvement over the factory ones. Going on to the next thing, it's actually has to do with the wheels and tires down here, and that will be brakes. I put all new rotors and pads in there. If you can see, I hope you guys can, but they are drilled and slotted. So I got the power stop brakes, and actually in the rear, if you come over here, you can see I got new calipers. You'll probably be able to see it on the other side over there. So you got the red calipers, because the calipers were actually like shot on this side. So all new rotors, all new pads, new rear calipers. But now that these ones are red, it's like, dang it, now I'm probably gonna have to put front red ones on to match later on, maybe when I get new wheels and tires. So that's pretty much that with that down there. If we keep going, I'm trying to think of this on the fly because there's so much stuff I've done to it. I guess you can see right here, there was a dent right here. No more dent right there. Got a couple of the dents fixed, just that one, and obviously the huge one that was in the back. But coming around to the back, obviously no camper shell. Sold this for about $300, or 350 bucks is how much I sold it for. Got a new third brake light, got a blacked out one. It's all LED, looks pretty nice. I'm actually pretty satisfied with it. It was just some cheap one off Amazon. Works pretty well. It was like 30 bucks. Get around to the back here, you can see we got LED taillights, and I started to black out the badges. I got the rear ones right here, all blacked out. I actually think I'm gonna probably debadge this one. I actually have something special for the tailgate coming soon, or actually it's here already. I have a decal for it, so that'll probably be a later video. Going around the side, remember that huge dent that was here? As you can see, it is gone. It was banged out. Got a backup camera, real nice. I love that. I love backup cameras. Definitely do need to probably get a new rear bumper. This one's pretty banged up. I had a vendor at work do it, so the Car Medic guys, they were able to bang this out for me. I mean, it was pretty smashed up, but the ultimate thing that I wanted is I wanted the taillight to fit perfectly, and now it fits like exactly how it should be. So it still looks banged up, which I'm fine with it, to be honest. So it's good enough. It's how I wanted it. I wanted that taillight to fit with it. I had to have duct tape on it. Come around to the side also, I mean, a couple little things here and there, but I think that's about it for the outside or exterior of the truck. If I can remember everything, just want to check. Definitely do need to get the bend liner in. But now for the inside, you guys can see inside here, but we got Husky floor liners, so we got those in. I put those in on every one of my vehicles. Honestly, I wish it was a sponsor, but it's not. So this is just me. I've always put Huskies in. They've always been great. So we got that in. I actually put a new seat cushion in. So this is a brand new like foam underneath. So, cause this thing was just completely terrible. I have pictures of the old one and the new one. I'll throw up on the screen. Pulled the driver's seat off, and this one is really bad. Like way worse than anything I've ever seen off of YouTube. This is just really bad. But you guys can check it out and see what the difference. But as you can see, for 200-something thousand miles, I'm surprised they're actually in this good a condition. The only wear is right here, and actually when I had it off, I just put a piece of duct tape on the back there, so try to hold on to it as long as possible. I definitely do think I'll probably have this truck reupholstered later on, probably like next year or something. So definitely something to go for there. You can see LED lighting up in here. That one was always broken. I actually, when I took it off, tried to take the bulb out, I actually pushed the mechanism in there and it rattles, so it's like really getting to me. And but otherwise, that's broken, so that's why it's there. And honestly, I have the cover for it like this. I'm just gonna throw on there and it's gonna be fine. Like, this is bright enough at night. This will light up the whole cab right here. And these are just some LED lights off of, I think these ones were off Amazon, or they're off of another site called like HIDs. But if you keep going in here, you will see, got a Pioneer deck. This thing was actually pretty expensive. The truck had a factory, or no, it didn't have factory. It had a aftermarket one already installed. and it was broken, so it didn't work, so the truck didn't have a radio. And I was like, dang it, I kind of just wish it had a factory radio, because honestly, if it had a factory one, I would have just left it factory and been fine with it, and I would have loved it. But since this one had a broken aftermarket one, I'm like, well, might as well put another aftermarket one. I figured might as well go for the best or nothing, because I ended up getting one that has Apple CarPlay, it's a DVD player, and also the backup camera. Here, we'll start it up here for you, or not start it up, but just show you guys. I actually turned off the little flip up. I figured out how to do that right before I made the video, to turn off the flip on here. But usually it auto flips, I just turned it off like really right before the video. But look at that, pretty nice, I love it. You can view the backup camera on there. I think if I go to here, camera view, look at that, super awesome, love it, love it, love it. So flip that back down, and there she goes, right back inside. But that's pretty much it for the inside. Is there anything I'm forgetting? Should be back here also. Look, I got a steering wheel cover too. I need to put this on because the top of that steering wheel cover is like kind of like melted, and it gets all like nasty in the sun. So got that. Otherwise, the truck's really clean on the inside. I love how clean it is now. I got it all cleaned up. This is for preparation for a new vehicle to the channel. Car cover for that vehicle. Well, see, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you can check out what's the new addition to the channel, because there is yet another vehicle, or maybe I should say off-road machine, being added to the channel. So if you guys haven't already, follow me on Instagram. New vehicle added to the channel, go check it out. I got a, if you look over there, got a little flatbed trailer over there. I gotta go pick it up today. So I wanna get all these mods on, then I'm gonna head on over there. So there you guys go. I think that's pretty much it. Also, look, there's the little Bluetooth thing. Oh yeah, and obviously, you guys can see here, the truck has been window tinted, so I put 20 on the sides and 5% on the back here. So that was another mod there. So a lot of stuff's been done to this truck. I've put a lot of time and money into it so far, and it's actually looking pretty good. I'm loving how it's turning out. I haven't done anything under the hood yet, except for actually, I guess this isn't a mod, but just regular maintenance. I did an oil change, oil filter change, and I've changed out the fuel filter. So done all that. Next up, I need to do the transmission. I'm probably gonna just buy a transmission pan, a deep pan, like a good like ATS or an AFE pan, and then do a full transmission, change the fluid filter, all that stuff. So yep, that's pretty much it for the Cummins mods that I've already done to the vehicle. I'm loving how this truck is turning out. Can't wait to get the other badges blacked out. By the way, I did use a Duplicolor. I didn't use Plasti Dip. I find it a lot better to put it on. Here, I'll show you guys a can of it real quick. Here is the color I use. Here's the wrap. It's like a Duplicolor custom wrap. I use the matte carbon black, and it actually goes on really well. I actually like this a lot better than Plasti Dip, so I'm pretty excited to get that on. But today's video, or the mods I'm going to be putting on today, are right here. I got right there, I got some bed rail caps, so try to clean it up a little. I mean, this thing had a camper shell on it, so gonna be putting that on. This right here is a new front air dam right here. So that piece right there, got a brand new one. This one is not only faded, mud stained, but it is also broken. So definitely want to get that replaced. A lot of people just take them off, but in my personal opinion, I feel like the truck just looks all squished. The front end of it looks, I just don't like it when people take off the front air dams, for my personal preference of a vehicle. I think it makes the truck look clean, looks factory, and I love a clean factory look on a vehicle. I like slight modification, but not too much, not too crazy. So gonna definitely be replacing that today. And last but not least, as you can see already, we got towing mirrors. I cannot wait to get this on. I just towed a trailer, and these mirrors honestly suck for towing trailers, in my opinion. I really like the towing mirrors. I've driven both my dad's trucks, have towing mirrors on them, and I love the visibility you get from them. So we're gonna be putting the towing mirrors on, bed rail caps, front air dam, and if I have time, I would like to get all this done before 2. It's currently, I think, almost 11 o'clock, so I do have a vinyl wrap for right here. I really do want to vinyl wrap this right here. I think it'll look amazing. I love the look when the windows are together. I don't like when there's a paint stripe between them. I've never been a fan of that, so super excited to get that on. I don't know if I'll have time for that today. If not, we'll do that in another video with maybe some more other mods. Over here, a little sneak peek into next mod video. might have something pretty cool here coming up, so stick around for the upcoming mods to the truck, and let's start the install. I don't think I'm gonna do like a whole step-by-step installation. I literally just typed in on YouTube and watched a step-by-step installation that was amazing. I think it was like A1 Auto was the channel, so shout out to them. I'm gonna do the tow mirrors and all the other stuff. If there's any major like issues I find or something that might help you guys out, I'll let you guys know, but otherwise I think I'll just do the install, show you guys the before and after, and should be good to go. Hey, that was super simple. Look at this. I didn't know this. I had Pioneer speakers, or Pioneer door speakers in the truck. I wondered why it sounded so good. I didn't replace any of the speakers. All I did is I put the head unit in. I actually had a company put the head unit in because I tried, it didn't work, and they had to like rewire it, but pretty simple. I mean, literally, look at this. 2 screws there, 2 there, and the door handle. Extremely easy to take off. I mean, the only thing that happened, look at this, I think my finger might be bleeding a little, that's all. So, didn't even notice that till I just seen it on the look when I was looking at the camera, but let's get the rest of this all done. Okay, so I just got done putting it in, and I gotta say, these towing mirrors I got, these are some Yada motors. I got them off of Amazon, and the mirror's great. Great mirror. Quality's fine, awesome, great mirror. Fitment, great for the mirror. But they give you these freaking screws. They give you these things right here, which are separate. They don't install them. So you have to put these in. You have to sit here and screw them in, get like some pliers and clamp them and screw them in. The thing is, if you screw them in too much, it'll push this plastic out away from the truck when you know, for alignment. If you don't put them in enough, like I had to do over here so it wouldn't push this out, look at this. It freaking, the door can't even close. The door can't even close. Like, that's as far as the door will close right there. Like, that's just, I don't know. The fitment on these, like this right here won't go on, so I think what I'm gonna have to do is I'm just gonna have to cut this off and, you know, hope my mirror stays on. I don't know. I would definitely recommend getting a factory option. I mean, they're way more expensive, but obviously it's worth it, because these ones you have to kind of do some custom work here. I mean, I don't know. I'll see if I can get this to work, but otherwise, I mean, ended up cutting, after freaking a lot of work, freaking hand bleeding and a bunch of crap, cut this one off, cut that one off, and this one actually grinded a little bit off this side, and I actually ended up cutting off the other side, so that way, as you can see here, it's on there flush, it's not poking out, so everything's all good. Should be able to fit the door panel on, and we should be good to go, and finally the driver's side will be done. There we go, you guys, got it all on, looks good. Definitely gotta say, probably wouldn't recommend this brand, a little bit of a pain, but it's all in, door is all on, all works, all fits. Excited, and there we go. Awesome, look at this. Finally told me a ghost trailer, woo! Yeah, there you guys go. See, the truck is now officially a Cummins, because, you know, can't have a Cummins without having your ghost trailer, your mirrors out. Give you guys a little comparison. Old mirror, doesn't look all as good in my opinion. Don't like as much, but ooh, look over this other side. Looks good, love it. I'm gonna do the other side, and this time I think I'm definitely gonna just probably cut these off before I put the mirror on, make it a lot easier, and should be good to go. And there we go, you guys. There is the mirror. It is on. Just a bloody nose later. When I took the freaking door panel off, I took it outside because it was full of hair on the inside, and I freaking hit my head on there. Freaking stupid me, but kind of wish I would have gotten on camera. Would have got my reaction there, but got it all on. It looks good. Looks great. Definitely gotta say, as for these, I'll put the name of the manufacturer on the screen, but everything was great about them except for the, I guess it's those little stud things they make you put in there are too long, so definitely got to think about that when you are buying these. You'll have to cut them down. I ended up cutting them all down, so looks good. Really happy about it. Can't wait. Get a lot more better visibility from the truck, and I think makes the truck look good. Makes it look like a heavy duty. I mean, it's a 3/4 ton truck. It should have towing mirrors, right? But now I think we're gonna go on to the front air dam here, try to get this off. I mean, look at it, the thing's all broken anyway, so hopefully this won't be hard at all, and it should be pretty easy. I'm gonna open up the box, get the new one out, and take a look at it and see how this is gonna go down. Hey guys, I actually ended up just taking off the old one here, and you can see the new one looks freaking great. I'd love to get it on, but in taking the old one off, and I mean, look at how cracked it is. This one right here, which is right over here, see, look at this. I cannot get this one off. For the life of me, no matter what, I could not get this off right here. So what I'm gonna do is, or what I did is, I ended up just putting on these two on each side back on, because these actually hold in the inner fender. And basically I'm gonna have to call this a little fail, and gonna have to do it later because I can't get this one off. I got the middle one and the other one off, but I swear, these designers who make these trucks, if they would have put this bolt right here, it would have been super duper easy. I could have taken it off in a minute. But no, put it right here, and there's like this little hole you have to like try to fit through, and it's at an angle, and I don't know. I'm gonna hold off on that because I'm running out of time. So I've got to go pick up the new vehicle for the channel, so I'm just gonna move right onto the bed rails. I mean, if anything, I'm gonna go take this to the car wash before I go. So all this underneath here can get clean since it is all dirty, but I mean, at the end of the day, I mean, people like how this looks, you know, a lot of people take this off, so it's not like it's a big deal. I've actually, after seeing it like this, kind of makes it look like a little bit more of an off-roader, which I guess is pretty cool, but again, I think it makes it look the front end just a little bit too squish. I like the big and boldness of it when it's on, so still can't wait to get it on. Gonna have to probably do it in another video or later on. I'll probably just later tonight, maybe I'll ask my dad, or tomorrow, go check out some YouTube videos, see what other people have done to get that off. Moving on from that, just don't want to get any more frustrated, so we're gonna go right into the bed rails. I'm gonna go get the bed rails, they're right over there, open them up. I'm gonna get some alcohol like cloths, clean this off real good, and hopefully those fit nice and not like crap, so let's do it. Just coming back from the car wash here. As you can see, the truck is all clean. The instructions for the bed covers or bed rails actually said to not get them wet for 48 hours. So instead of washing the truck after, went and did it before. It's looking good. So now that the truck is clean, we can put the bed rail covers on. But I just want to give you guys a little quick look at the truck. It's looking great. I love how it looks. The mirrors look amazing. Love the visibility in them. Definitely want to get that front air dam on. I mean, it looks good. It looks like more of like an off-roader type look, but I don't like how like smushed down it looks. I really want it with the air dam. I think it looks better in my opinion. So we're gonna get that on. Mirrors great, love the visibility in it. I really do love the spotter mirrors in them. They're amazing. So really can't wait to also get that wrapped. That's gonna look so good, make the truck look clean. We'll make it look a little more updated as the 4th gen over there has it like that. So I think it'll look good. So let's get the bed rail covers on. It does come with some alcohol wipes. So I'm gonna wipe these down and then I'll just put them on and show you guys what it looks like. Little red things you gotta peel off, a lot of them, but there it is. Looks good, fits perfectly. I mean, couldn't get it any better than this. Like, wow, I can't wait to get this out in the sunlight, show you guys, but fits on there, looks great, love it. Let's get the other side. Looks good, looks clean, hides a lot of the crap that was underneath there, and fitment is freaking great, so love it. The only thing I need to do is, I'm not gonna get a tailgate cap. When I have this truck bed lined, I'm actually just gonna have them like line it up to like right here and just go across that way. This will just be bed linered. The whole bed will be bed linered, and then obviously up to here over this will be bed linered. But I wanted to get this plastic on. I know you can do the bed liner on here. I just wanted to do this, that way it's done, and plus that way if I ever wanted to take it off and redo it, I can always redo it. And sometimes I've seen like ones of bed liners, they like chip or something. I just wanted to do this. This is what I chose. Looks good, like how it turned out. Makes the truck look cleaner, look more updated, newer. Just really can't wait to get this freaking done. I think this is gonna look amazing. But also coming inside, got that steering wheel cover on, so it's looking good. Also, I don't think I told you guys I have a dash mat too. I got a dash mat. Got this from a Dash Above. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything's looking good. Truck is clean, vacuumed it all out. Man, this truck is looking good. I love it, I love it. It's really coming together. Hope you guys have been enjoying this video, and I hope you guys enjoy the Cummins videos to come. I mean, cannot wait. Still got to get that front air dam on. Got a full, you know, one of these coming up next. Some performance mods finally. Look at that, FedEx right over there. But finally some performance mods, can't wait. She needs it, that's for sure. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, like the video if you enjoyed. See you guys in the next one.